Welcome back to Orlando Nail Tech's channel. Today we're going to be getting into how to change the sender name on your Acuity email. So there's two methods. Method number one is pretty simple. It just involves you going into your Acuity settings. So on this side panel, if you're on laptop, desktop, or an iPad, it will look similar to this. If you're on an app, it may look a little bit different, but it's still the same. So you're going to go all the way down to the bottom in My Account, and you're going to click there. The name that is on your emails is actually your business name. So you can change that in there, and you can change this as many times as you would like to change it. All you would need to do is just delete the text in there and change it to whatever you need to change it to. And that is going to be what people see when they get an email from you that they've booked an appointment. I'm going to show you exactly how it looks in the next scene, but it's pretty simple. That's method number one. And one moment while I pop in and show you exactly how it looks in the next one. Okay, so as you can see in the email, you can see right here, the sender says Orlando Nail Tech. That's exactly what I typed in my settings. So method number two is just going to be the name when they say you've booked an appointment with so-and-so. So in your Acuity email templates, it'll be that subject line right there. You have an appointment on whatever day with this person. So you can also change that name as well, and I'm going to show you how to do that. If you go back over to that sidebar area, there's going to be a little option called availability, and then you're going to click on calendar and calendar settings. This is where you can change the name of the person that they are booking with. So I'm just going to do a little quick change here and change it to change your name here. That's what I'm going to call myself. And I'm just going to do that just for this video. And then I'm going to book a test appointment with myself to see how the customer would see that email and how it would come across for them. So here's me booking that fake appointment with myself, putting in some random details, and I'm going to go ahead and schedule that appointment. I will get an email automatically from myself saying I have an appointment with myself, and we're going to see in the next one what that looks like. So here it is, change your name here. You can change that to whatever you want to. Like I said, there's no limit on how many times you can change it. If you want to change it to different people, whatever you want to do, you can change it. And as you see, we still have our sender is Orlando Nail Tech, which is the business name in Acuity. So that's pretty much how it works. You can customize your emails in Acuity, of course, and do all types of different things as far as follow-ups, reminders, cancellations. You can make every email different. A lot of these features are only available on the paid plan, though. Just want to let you know that. I am not an affiliate of Acuity. I do not get paid to share this information. I'm just simply answering a question that somebody had. If you want the shorter, condensed version of this video, it is going to be posted on my TikTok. And you can go ahead over there while that's still a thing. But yeah, hopefully that helps. Hopefully that answers the question of how to change your email sender name in Acuity so you can control what clients see when they book you. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully you like this video, share it, subscribe, and all that other fun stuff. Have a great one.